Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode today. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sign in into Peacock TV. So in order to sign in into your Peacock TV account, first of all, you'll have to install. So for that, head over to your Play Store and then on the Play Store, type in Peacock TV. So once you locate the following application, go ahead and tap the install button. Unfortunately, the following application is not available in my region, so I'm going to show you with the help of a web browser. Exit out of your application. Now if you have an application, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So when you use a web browser, on the web address bar, type in www.peacocktv.com. So once you locate the following website, go ahead and tap the link and that's going to take you to their official page. Right on this page, if you don't have an account, then you can just tap the get started button and create an account for yourself. Or else if you already have an account, then tap the sign in button, enter in your credential. That includes entering either your phone number, email address, or a username and a password associated with it, and you'll be logged into your account. However, if for some reason if you have forgotten your password, then also you'll be provided with the option as forgot password. Go ahead and tap on it, and that's basically how you can sign in into your Peacock TV account. So in that way you can sign in into your Peacock TV account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.